Hello, and welcome to the Creo Sheetmetal Productivity Demonstration. In this demonstration, we will highlight Creo's industry-leading sheetmetal capabilities. These new capabilities allow users to design in sheetmetal faster and with more efficiency than ever before. The sheetmetal functionality in Creo 1.0 has been greatly improved over previous releases. More than 20 sheetmetal tools have been enhanced with a new, more modern user experience and functional improvements. This provides the added benefit of interactive previews during feature creation and real-time regeneration during editing. Let's start with a solid part, and we'll quickly convert it into a sheetmetal part. First, I will convert this solid part to sheetmetal. When using the option to convert solid to sheetmetal, we are able to speed the process by leveraging the consolidation of sheetmetal conversion tools. Now, let's look at Creo Parametric Sheetmetal with the new Sheetmetal UI. Significant enhancements have been made to the Sheetmetal design user interface to make it supremely user-friendly. After we have completed the initial step to convert solid to sheetmetal, we can select the conversion tool and access the applicable sheetmetal functionality to complete the conversion process. By using predefined sketches, we will remove material and optimize the bracket design. Let's continue with bending the interior flange. The new bend tool has been enhanced with a brand new dashboard interface. This allows the user to either graphically interact with the feature with an interactive bend line or select the edge to start the bend. The wall extend and trim tool is enhanced with a new dashboard and an interactive graphical preview. In addition, it now has controls to determine whether the extend or trimmed wall will follow the adjacent edge or simply continue normal to the selected edge. The wall can be extended or trimmed by a given value or to a specified reference. This reference no longer needs to be normal to the extended edge. It could be at any angle, and the user can have the wall stop as soon as it intersects the reference or continue until it is trimmed by the reference. We can save time by automatically creating reliefs. Let's create a flange wall along the side. As we create the feature, Creo provides a fully regenerated preview of it properly intersecting the part. If the user sees the fully regenerated feature, they can be confident that it can be created with its specified parameters, and they can make changes to the feature as other design ideas are explored. The user has the option to drive default tool values by sheetmetal parameters or not. Notice that values are shown in the dashboard with square brackets around them when those values are driven from relations to sheetmetal parameters. These values can be changed in the tool during feature creation or edit definition. The user can clearly see the bend reliefs and make modifications in the graphics window. Corner reliefs are now created as soon as they are defined. A user no longer needs to unbend the model in order to see the geometry that is being created by corner reliefs. They can see them and change them in the interactive preview. Two new options have been added for placing corner relief geometry as well. These allow the user to rotate the corner relief or offset it sideways to accommodate more complicated geometry. Let's finish the design by adding another flat wall and rounding out the edges. Also, by using those sketches I created earlier, we can continue to remove material to improve our design. The user can now preview the flat pattern of his sheetmetal design in an accessory window in Creo 1.0. This accessory window can be within the Creo Parametric window, or it can be moved off to the side, perhaps on a second monitor, so the user can watch their flat pattern develop as he continues with his design. Flat pattern bounding box dimensions can be displayed so the designer will know the size of the blank that will be required to create the part. Notice that the user edits the part with real-time regeneration. The flat pattern preview updates to reflect the changes. We've just shown you industry-leading capabilities such as persistent flat pattern preview. The common tools used across bend, wall creation, and other tasks also make it easier to get up to speed. This concludes the Creo Sheetmetal Productivity Demonstration. As demonstrated, with Creo you can design in sheetmetal faster than ever before. Industry-leading capabilities such as persistent flat pattern preview, streamlined workflows, and dynamic editing make Creo Parametric Sheetmetal the leader in design efficiency. Thank you for your time and attention.